is the ground. Let's check the ground. This is positive 45 voltage, the positive 45 voltage, the ground, and negative 45 voltage. Okay, let's go to short, make fire. Let's go to making fire. If I make fire in the direct, by making fire in the direct mode, look, now we are going to check the ampere, how the ampere works. Let's go to check the ampere. Go to check ampere using this clamp meter. This is the clamp meter. Where is the wire? Where is that wire? This is the wire. Look how many ampere is this can work. How many ampere? 23 ampere. So 23 ampere, 20 ampere maybe can use 20 ampere. It can use, it can make 20 ampere. Minimum 20 ampere it can make. And how many voltage? Around 50 voltage and 20 ampere. This is PNP and NPN amplifier circuit board. We are used this circuit in amplifier. We make amplifier, but they got some noise. So today I am going to try to make low noise. I will try to make it low noise, but let's check why it make noise. Look, this is the voltage print. This side is positive voltage and this side is negative voltage, and this is all our ground. This is the negative voltage, this is the positive voltage, this is the ground. This section is the amplification section, amplifier section, the main transistor, and this side is the driver board. This is driver board, driver section. Look, here have a transistor, here have a transistor. This two transistor used here as a driver transistor. This driver transistor used in the main voltage, main direct voltage, but the another oil transistor used some lower voltage using the resistance. We can see here one resistance, here have, and here have two resistance.